Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your online or last seen status from everybody or from some people. Just subscribe to Guide Mentory and follow my lead. So what you need to do is just open settings, 3 bars on Android or gear icon over here on iPhone. So let's go to settings. Privacy and security, and here is your privacy block. You can hide your phone number, for example, and last seen and online. What are we gonna do now? You can set to nobody or to your contacts only, and keep in mind that unless you're a premium user, you won't see last seen or online statuses for people with whom you don't share yours. Also, you can add exceptions, always share with, or if it's set to everybody, never share with. If it's set to contacts, you have both options, and you can of course even hide read time. And that's pretty it. Right here you can subscribe to Telegram Premium to see online statuses of all people who haven't hid it. And guys, that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.